Hey guys, what's up? Tyler here, and in today's video, I want to share about an upcoming free training that I'm doing for video production and YouTube management, and that's going to be happening on October 3rd, 4th, and 5th. So starting next Saturday and then going Saturday, Sunday, and Monday. And it's going to be in the evenings, Eastern Standard Time. Not 100% sure on the time yet, probably around 7 o'clock or so. But this is going to be a live training that you guys can watch and join in. It's going to be on a private Facebook group. And you can ask questions after I'm done going through the trainings that I'm covering. And it's going to be highly interactive and it's free. So I would definitely recommend it if you are looking to learn more about video production, or if you're looking to learn more about starting a YouTube channel, using video and YouTube to help elevate your business, or if you're not really into a business, just to share your story, we'll teach you how to do that too. And on the first day, we're going to be covering anything and everything pre-production. Before you turn the camera on, we're going to figure out what your audience is, how you're going to stand out in that audience, that way you can attract viewers, and how you can make it sustainable for you so you don't just decide you want to quit after 1 week just from burnout. And we're going to find out how you storyboard and pre-produce effectively. That way there's less work on the back end. You're not fixing so many mistakes. And then on the second day, we're going to be talking about all kinds of gear, camera, microphones, editing software, plugins, tools, lighting, all this kind of stuff that you can use to enhance your video production. And then on the third day, we're going to be talking about creating your YouTube channel, managing it, some of the tools you can use to help manage it. And we're going to be talking about SEO, all that wonderful stuff that not everybody loves to talk about, but it is important to talk about. You know, your profile pictures, your banners, tags, descriptions, titles, all that stuff, and also thumbnails, which are really important. And so all that is going to be covered in this 3 days of training. So it's going to be packed full, but there's going to be a lot of good information here. All you have to do is visit the link below and you can sign up, and then you can go to the private Facebook page and you can go there now and you can request access. And once you request, I can approve you as long as you sign up with your email on the landing page. And then you can start going live in the Facebook group, sharing who you are, what you do, what you're hoping to learn, maybe what your business is or what your story is that you want to share. Just go live and share a video or maybe just a picture, a few words, sentences, whatever you want to, about what you hope to get out of this training and maybe some of the things that you're looking forward to and maybe what some of your goals are. And so you might be saying, hey, free training, what's the catch? Well, there is no catch. It is free. You don't have to enter any payment information or anything. And I have had a lot of free training over the years, and I really appreciate it when somebody offers free training. And so I want to give that forward to the next round of people who are looking to create content and just offer a good free training for people. That way they can learn video and learn how to make a YouTube channel and share their story. And so if you are interested in video and YouTube and finding a niche and finding where your place is on the internet and starting to share video, this training is for you. And so, like I said, the link will be down in the description below underneath this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hopefully we see you in the free training. If you're interested in more training and more videos on video production, make sure you hit that subscribe button and hit the bell. That way you're notified when new videos go live. And make sure you follow me on all my social links. They're down in the description below. And so that's it for this quick video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you guys hopefully in the training, and if not, in the next video.